Welcome to our comprehensive guide on playing Brawl Stars on your iOS device with controller support. Excited to take your gaming experience to the next level? In 2025, iOS has significantly improved its controller compatibility. Let's go over which controllers work seamlessly with Brawl Stars. To connect your controller, make sure it's charged and in pairing mode. Open your iOS settings, navigate to Bluetooth, and select your controller from the list. It's that simple. For an optimal gameplay experience, adjust your controller settings. This includes sensitivity and button mapping. Let's walk through the important adjustments. Customizing your controller layout can drastically enhance your performance. You can set specific buttons for your favorite brawlers and abilities. Here are some tips for mastering Brawl Stars with your controller. Practice your aim, learn the maps, and utilize map-specific advantages. Sometimes, you may encounter common issues, such as connectivity glitches or button mapping errors. Don't worry, we'll help you troubleshoot these problems. Let's compare gameplay styles. How does using a controller measure up against the traditional touchscreen? Discover the pros and cons of both. We reached out to the community to gather their experiences with controller gameplay in Brawl Stars. Here are some compelling feedbacks. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through Brawl Stars with controller support. We hope these tips enhance your gameplay experience. Keep brawling.